welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a wonderful weekend so far. Today I'm super excited because a couple of new products that I ordered came in, and they are the Glossier Skywash eyeshadows. When I saw these announced, I was super excited because they are a liquid eyeshadow and I thought that was really awesome, but they're not just any liquid eyeshadow, they are a matte liquid eyeshadow. So I picked a couple of them up. I got two shades. I got Echo and Pebble because I figured I would probably use these ones the most if they worked out. I have not tested them yet. I've only seen photos from Glossier, and I'm really excited to test these out. So like I said, I got two shades, Pebble and Echo, and these are like two neutral ones. They have a total of 7 different shades. 5 of them are like neutral colors, and then the other 2 is like a light blue and then a like neon lime green, which I really wanted to get that one, but I wasn't sure how these would work out, so I figured before testing that one, I would test out the neutral shades first, and then, you know, I could always go back and get it later on because they're always going to be on there. So with every Glossier order, you get your cute little pink package. I did order a couple other things with this order, and one of them I will be doing another separate video on, but for right now, we're just going to focus on these sky washes. My order also came with this cute Glossier sticker, which I will be putting on my makeup kit. And I also got a sample of the Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid, which I haven't tried out yet, so I'm excited to try this one out. I'm not going to do it today because it's supposed to be worn under makeup, but maybe in another video I'll test this out. Anyways, so let's go ahead and get started. This is what these sky washes look like. They kind of look like Crayola markers, but with like a taller color portion. But these are the 2 shades I got. This one is Pebble over here, and this one is Echo. And this one's more like a chocolatey brown, and this is like a pinky taupe color. But the packaging is super cute. I actually really like it. It looks like all the other Glossier packaging, like the cloud paints and stuff like that. But these are just like really cool looking. I really like them. The colors of these look really awesome, so I'm excited to test these. But before we get started, I wanted to give you a little bit of information on these products. So I'm going to be reading to you a few of the key things off of the website. Like I said, they are called the Skywash, and they are a sheer matte lid tint. It comes with 0.11 fluid ounces or 3.5 milliliters, and they are $18 each, but they do offer a set, so you can get 2 of them for $30 instead of $36, which is what I did, so that's why I got 2. The shades that they have are Pool, which is a cornflower blue, Pebble, which is a neutral taupe, the one I have, Echo, a cocoa brown, also I have that one, Terra, a burnt sienna, Valley, a warm peach, Palm, a golden beige, and Lawn, a fresh green. That one I want so bad. It's a soft wash of matte color for the eyes. It's a liquid to powder eyeshadow that gives a diffused, soft effect. Why it's special. Powder finish formula that doesn't feel powdery, smooths on with a doe foot applicator, silky blendable color that melts into the skin, creating a pretty diffused effect that lasts. A little bit adds some depth to the eye area and add more for a refined modern wash of color. And then it comes in 7 shades, inspired by the dreamy Southwest landscapes. It says it's ophthalmologist tested, it's dermatologist tested, it says it's long wearing up to 12 hours, which is really interesting because most liquid eyeshadows do not last that long. It's smudge resistant, gluten-free, vegan, all of the shades, cruelty-free, and formulated without fragrance. So that is awesome. I'm really excited to test these because that is crazy, a 12-hour lasting time. So let's go ahead and test these out. I don't think that you have to shake these. There's nothing in there to shake, you know, like the Kosas liquid eyeshadows. But anyways, I'm gonna first start off with Pebble because this is like the base shade. This is what the applicator looks like. It looks like a really pretty color. Ooh. Pretty. It feels really soft, actually. Like it feels like silk when I'm applying it to my eyelid. It seems like it's not drying down super quick, so you have like a lot of time to work with it. It kind of feels like an eyeshadow primer would, where it has like that really silky texture, like Urban Decay Primer Potion or something like that. That color is really pretty though. It's just more like a light pink skin tone-y shade. Let's apply it to the other side. So you can also use an eyeshadow brush to blend these out. So let's go ahead and try doing that with this side. So to me, that actually seemed to leave a little bit more of the color on my eyelid instead of blending it with my finger. So I'm gonna go back in and add just a tiny bit to this side, only because it seems like this side has like a tiny bit less color to it because I blended it out with my finger. So I'm just gonna apply just like the tiniest bit more. Okay, this side definitely feels like it's dried down. So does this side. So it's probably about like 30 seconds or so for it to dry, which is like not bad actually. So then now I'm gonna go in with Echo, and I'm gonna kind of use that around like, you know, my outer corner into the crease. Whoa, a lot of product came out on this one. So I'm gonna wipe some of that off. Ooh, it's very dark. Let's see how it blends out. I'm gonna use a blending brush for this one. All right, so there's that. At first I got a little bit nervous there, but it looks pretty. I might add just like a little bit more right here, just like that tiny little dot. So that looks really pretty. I actually really like that. Okay, so what I've noticed is with the darker shades, you kind of want to blend it out a bit with your finger first because it was a little bit more tough to blend out with the brush. But once it's blended out, it looks really nice. So let me do this other side. So like start with the brush, blend with your finger, blend with your brush again. That looks really pretty. I actually really like this. It's like very fresh. That's something that I love about Glossier, is that everything that they have is like very minimalistic, and everything that they have is like really fresh and like no makeup type of makeup. Okay, so I actually think what I want to do is go in a little bit underneath the eye with this Echo shade, and I'm just gonna kind of do just like very lightly under my eye. And then I will go in with like a little tiny eyeshadow brush just to blend it out a bit. And now what I kind of want to try is going on the upper lash line just as like an eyeliner effect and see how that works. Man, these are like the easiest things to use. This is awesome. All right, so my eyeshadow look is done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do my mascara, and I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. So I'm definitely going to be doing a wear test on these, so I will check back in with you guys later on to let you know how they are wearing throughout the day, see if they crease or anything like that, because most liquid eyeshadows crease on me, so I mean, it'll be really interesting to see how long this actually lasts without creasing. But so far, I really like it. I think it looks really beautiful. It's very soft. The cool thing about this is it like blends into your skin. Like it doesn't look powdery. Like, you know, if you have eyeshadow on, it kind of looks powdery. This does not. Like, this just looks like as if my skin was already like shaded like that. So that's really cool. I really like that. I feel like they look really nice. They're not patchy, which is good. And that's something that I was worried about, because a lot of times like matte eyeshadows can be kind of patchy, and that's not cute, you know? So I'm really excited that these are like really nice looking. So I will definitely check in with you guys a little bit later on and let you know how they are working. But so far, I'm a fan of these. This seems like a really cool product for people that are beginning with makeup because it's super easy and so easy to blend. Like, you just apply it and you can blend it out with your fingers. You can use, you know, a brush if you have one. Like, it's super easy. So I think that's like a really cool thing. So if you have like anybody that's beginning with makeup in their life, this would be something that would be a really cool like gift, something that they could have to start using makeup. Or someone that maybe is older and has a little bit more of a difficult time with makeup products, like if they wanted to wear something that's in the more neutral shades, or even if they wanted something with like a bright pop of color, like you can just easily apply this with your finger and then blend it out. So I think that's something that's really cool and it would be easy for people to use. I would actually love to see some more shades of this because this is like such a really neat and unique product. You know, we don't really have matte liquid shadows out. So definitely cool, but I will keep you guys posted and let you know my final thoughts after I've worn it all day long. So I will see you in just a bit. Okay guys, so it has now been officially 12 hours. I wanted to make sure I wore it for the full 12 hours to see how it held up. And it actually looks pretty good. I would say it faded a little bit, but there's no creasing on either eye. You see that? But it does look like maybe in the outer corners that it faded up a little bit, but otherwise it looks pretty good for 12 hours. It's still matte, it still like feels fine, like it just feels like my skin, honestly. So this has been really awesome. I really like these. I know that I just got the two colors, but I kind of think I want to get that lime green one for sure, and maybe that other shade Valley, which looks like it's kind of like a sienna kind of color, like that, like orangey a little bit. But I kind of want to get both of those just to try them out. But these seem like really cool products. I actually think that these would work really well for professional makeup use too, because they're super quick and easy to use. You could probably just put them on your hand or like on a palette and then apply them to your client. So I think that they're really awesome for professional and personal use. And Glossier is cruelty free, which I love. But yeah, I think they're really cool products and I'm really glad that I picked them up because they're super interesting. I mean, matte liquid shadows, that's like unheard of. So I really like those, and I think it would be really cool too as like a eyeshadow base because they don't dry down immediately, so you could probably use them as like a primer or whatever and then apply eyeshadows on top of them as well. So if you guys are interested in testing these out, let me know which colors down below because I think they're all really awesome, but that lime green one, I really want it. So I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful day and I will see you in my next video. Bye!